gani inyong mga ma'am. Kaya karon adlaw dili lang kamo makadawat og award. Apil inyo ang mga ma'am.
First honor!
Sige. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Josephine is Palingkod for unselfishly sustaining her unwavering commitment and tireless effort being the Filipino coordinator all throughout the school year 2020-2021.
Pakpak!
Given this 29th day of May 2024 at Bugwak Elementary School, Bugwak, Dangkagan, Bukidnon. Signed, Ponciano G. Rabong Jr.
Pakpak!
Is awarded to Josephine is Palingkod for her high standards of workmanship in preparing and efforts to achieve the Cleanest Classroom Award.
Wow! Wow! Daghanag tao oy, grabe ka daghang tao yun. Di matabang.
The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Sheila May A. Marianas, being the SELG Coordinator and Guidance Counselor all throughout the school year 2023-2024.
Pakpak!
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Sheila A. Marianas for her high standards of workmanship in preparing and efforts to achieve the most organized classroom.
Grabe, sadya ah. Pakpak! Bibo kayo, bibo. Be, mga audience. Ah, abi pa lang, wati ang audience.
Sir Jurel L. Daog, being the Science, BSP, and Brigada Eskwela Coordinator all throughout the school year 2023-2024. Another special recognition is given to Sir Jurel for being the dance trainer during the National Children's Month and won first place.
Mga audience, mga audience.
Is awarded to Ma'am Vanessa L. Satabi for being the school facilitator, mathematics, GSP coordinator, and bond secretariat. A special
Slow mo, slow mo, ma'am. Slow mo, slow mo, slow mo.
to Ma'am Vanessa for being the invitation card making coach during the District Festival of Talents and won first place. Hola, Malaysia. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Mary Jo S. Mericuelo for being the Araling Panlipunan School Project and School Learning Resource Coordinator. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Eileen C. Morales for being the WINS and School-Based Feeding Coordinator and Clinic Teacher. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Honey Joy A. Sandura for being the English and Bulayan sa Paralan Coordinator. Dili lang atong mga maestra na certificate, apil ang atong stakeholders. Certificate of appreciation is given to Mrs. Narilyn G. Dayaganon for
Oh, wala din eh.
sustaining her unwavering commitment and tireless being the GPTA treasurer for 13 years.
Ah,
Given this
grabe,
29th
13
day of
years
May
ba?
2024 at Bubak Elementary School.
Nadiri, wala.
Bubak, Langkaran,
Ah, wala, wala.
Bukidnon. Signed, Jaisel B. Lilia, School in Charge. Ponciano G. Rabong Junior Elementary School, Principal 1.
Pakpak niya po. Eh, mga bugal-bugalo, no?
Appreciation is given to Pastor Max Irving. Being the GPTA president for the school year 2023-2024. Pictures na picture.